Here's the home at 1810 Utah Street. It's an interesting property, the fact that it sits on the alleyway as the front of the house, rather than here, as I walk up. To my left here is facing east. This is where most of the houses sit, but this one actually sits all the way in the back. It does sit across from Cherokee Park, which is really nice. We're located in the Benton Park neighborhood. This here is Anheuser-Busch, and Soulard just right across the interstate there. Home's been recently renovated. It's got really good tuck pointing. Nice character around the top. Take you around this way. See, it's a stone foundation. And here, this would have been the front of the building 130 some odd years ago. You see here the crown and the gutters all roll to the back. A couple fireplaces. You got two coal chutes here in the foundation, so it leads me to believe that this was probably a two-family at one time, possibly even a three-family. I'll show you why I say that. It's got a really good sized lot for the city. Gated entrance here walks us in. Newer concrete. To the left here, really nice yard. Some brick paver stones here. And here you can tell there are 3 doors at one time. So it has been converted to a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, single family home. So it looks really good. Here's a walkout basement. Here's a walkout access here. It's nice that it's covered. Keeps the rain from going into the basement. Coming back through. Again, there's multiple doors here. We'll come in to the first floor. Leads us to our kitchen. Really nicely updated kitchen. Beautiful stone countertops and surround. Nice tall ceilings. Got your transom here. Good overhead can lighting. Nice center island here. Coming back through here. Good cabinetry. And here we walk into our living room design. We do have the main floor bedroom straight ahead. That door there you see, that takes us to the basement. And then the other bedrooms are around upstairs. Take you to our master bedroom, the primary suite. Nice tall wood windows. Good sized closet. It's nice they put some lighting in there with the shelving. And here is our bathroom. Really nice floor to ceiling tile. Got the rain shower head. And so here they also have a soaking tub. Looks to be clawfoot. Nice double vanity. This all looks beautiful. Take you back through. Here's a look looking towards our kitchen. Really nice open design concept as is popular today. So here we've got the other door that leads us outside, and then that takes us to the second floor bedrooms. But first, we've got our powder room here. Really nice luxury vinyl flooring. Comes into here. Tall ceilings throughout the first and second floor. Beautiful vanity here. Coming back through. We'll poke our head downstairs since we're here. Good job framing that off. Like we mentioned outside, it is a walkout basement. So you'll see the door here. This walks us outside. Stone foundation. It does show the old true lumber, the actual 2x4 lumber. It's nice they put a new standpipe in for the wash. Here's your furnace, high efficiency furnace. Updated PVC plumbing here. Just some framed in walls. You have the updated electric here, which looks really good. Updated gas line. And they have replaced all the old knob and tube wiring with all this newer wiring here. You can see that some of the old knobs are here, but those since been abandoned. The old ceramic knobs. Coming back through, take you upstairs. Got 3 really good sized, generous bedrooms. And another full bathroom. Again, really nice tall ceilings. There's no transom here, which I thought was interesting. But here, this door was since removed and sealed off outside. Take us up the stairs. Really good sized landing up here. You see this really in a lot of the newer homes around town, where the top of the stand they have a loft area. Nice can lighting. Walking into our first bedroom. Really nice overline. This one has the largest closet. This here above the foyer entrance below us. Original wood window. Coming back through, we've got our second bedroom here. Again, this window faces north towards the park. Did a good job. Appears to be zone heating and cooling with this up here. See if I can give you a good view. Park looks nice. And then coming back through, there is a linen closet on this floor. It does have some of the ductwork running through it. Add some shelving here. Be perfect for a linen closet. And here, we've got our bathroom for this floor. Really nice ceramic floor. Matches the one downstairs for the owner's suite. Beautifully tiled. And coming back through, we've got a third bedroom. Good sized closet. Again, all these windows appear to be original, really nice and tall. A lot of natural light. And this will conclude our tour. If you have any questions, please check out the description below. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thank you.